Welcome to aminacademy.com and questions how, why, and what. In that, we'll discuss about some interesting product which are we are using daily life. What are Velcro, zip, and how do they work? Product, Velcro, and zip we'll discuss now. Hook and loop fasteners that are called Velcro, commonly known as Velcro. Hook and pile fasteners or touch fasteners are versatile fastening devices that also two surfaces to be repeatedly attached and detached with ease. Invented in the mid 20th century, they are widely used in clothing, accessories, and various industrial and consumer applications. The fastener consists of two complementary components, one with tiny hooks and other with soft loops. When pressed together, the hooks catch the loops, creating a secure but temporary bond. The fasteners can be separated by peeling or pulling the surface apart, often producing a distinctive ripping sound. Now we'll discuss further about this interesting product and simple product, Velcro. Velcro is a brand name for fastening devices that's made up of two pieces of fabric, one which hooks and the other which loops. When pressed together, the hooks catch the loops, creating a secure but temporary bond. Velcro is also known as a hook and loop fastener. How it was invented. Swiss engineer George de Mestral invented in Velcro in 1941. He got the idea after noticing how burdock seeks suck to these clothes and his dog's fur. He examined the seeds under the microscope and saw how they had hundreds of hooks that caught on anything with loop. It took De Mastral about 10 years to perfect the process. How it is used. Velcro is used in clothing, accessories, luggage, and various industrial and consumer applications. It's used as a closure on garments in place, the buttons and zippers. The name word Velcro is combination of the French word velours that is velvet and crochet hook. Now we'll discuss about how the zip, the same usage, how the zip work. The zip in a dress works by using a slider that moves along two rows of interlocking teeth, effectively joining or separating the fabric of the dress when pulled up or down. Essentially, the sliders zips the teeth together, the teeth together to close the dress opening and pulls them apart to open it, allowing for easily access to the garments. This is a puller, this is a slider, this is a teeth, both side teeth. So while closing, these teeth contact together. Key points about the how a zip works in a dress. Two row teeth. The zipper consists of two parallel rows of small teeth, usually made up of metal or plastic, attached to a fabric tape. Slider mechanism. The slider piece, which is the part you pull to open and close the zip, has Y-shaped channel that engages with the teeth, allowing them to interlock when the slider moves along the tracks. Opening and closing. When you pull the slider up, the teeth on each row mesh together, closing the opening of the dress. Pulling the slider down disengages the teeth and opening the dress. So far we discussed about some interesting and easy product, Velcro and zip. We have done. Please subscribe our YouTube channel.